Do you need to make a custom footprint? You should consider using the Altium footprint wizard to avoid making mistakes. You can find it in Tools, and then Footprint Wizard. Here's the wizard. I'm going to hit Next, and I'm going to choose a quad pack. I'm going to make sure that my units match the datasheet for this part, which happens to be the AT-Tiny 817, for example. You want to navigate to find this page, which will have a list of measurements. You may have to do a little bit of math to answer the prompts that follow. I happen to know that my pad is 0.8 millimeters long by 0.2 millimeters wide. I want them all to be rectangular. This works. And then I know the pitch is 0.4. The corner offset I've calculated to be 0.7. This numbering scheme matches the datasheet. And finally, I know that there are 5 pins by 5 pins. I'm going to give this a descriptive name. AT-Tiny 817, and then the package, VQFN. And finish. Here's the design that Altium made. Let's add a ground plane. I'm going to delete this overlay, and I'm going to place a pad. I'm going to put it right in the middle. If it helps, you can use Control-A, E, set reference to center. Once I have this pad, I'm going to give it an appropriate name, and then I'm going to set the dimensions of it. I happen to know that they should be 1.8 by 1.8. Lastly, I want to indicate pin 1. I'll switch to my top overlay and use the line tool. And then I'll turn this into a dot, and that's it. Thanks for watching.